Life in Milton offers the perfect blend of suburban charm and New England convenience, but with busy roads, seasonal storms, and close-knit neighborhoods, many homeowners are looking for ways to make their homes quieter, safer, and more comfortable. One of the most effective upgrades you can invest in is a soundproof, secure door replacement. Modern doors are engineered with advanced insulation, stronger materials, and enhanced locking systems that create a more peaceful and protected living environment. If you're considering replacing your front, side, or patio door, here are the top soundproof and security-focused options that can transform your Milton home. Solid core fiberglass doors. Strong, quiet, and weather-resistant fiberglass doors are a favorite among Milton homeowners because they deliver exceptional performance in both sound reduction and home security. Unlike older hollow core doors, solid core fiberglass options offer a dense, insulated structure that keeps outside noise where it belongs. Benefits include excellent sound absorption, superior insulation against drafts and temperature changes, durability in New England's cold winters and humid summers, resistance to warping, cracking, and swelling. These doors are perfect for homes near busier streets like Blue Hills Parkway or for anyone wanting a quieter indoor environment year-round. Steel entry doors. Maximum security without sacrificing style for homeowners prioritizing safety. Steel doors offer some of the strongest protection available. With a reinforced structure and thick internal insulation, they not only block sound effectively but also act as a formidable barrier against forced entry. Steel doors provide high impact resistance, enhanced strength for added security, excellent soundproofing due to dense material, fire-resistant options for additional peace of mind. Despite their strength, steel doors come in numerous finishes, including designs that mimic real wood, without the maintenance. Multi-layered glass patio doors. Noise control with beautiful views. If your Milton home features sliding glass or French patio doors, upgrading to a multi-layered or laminated glass system can make a dramatic difference in both performance and comfort. Modern laminated glass includes 2 or more panes bonded together with a sound-dampening interlayer noise reduction technology that blocks outdoor sounds, added security due to impact-resistant construction, energy-efficient coatings to reduce heat transfer. These doors are ideal for homeowners who want strong soundproofing without losing the bright, open feel of a glass patio entrance. Weather stripping and insulated frames for better sound and security. Even the highest quality door won't perform well if it lacks proper sealing. In Milton, where cold winds, heavy rain, and seasonal temperature swings are common, weatherproofing is essential. Professional installation ensures tight-fitting seals to block drafts, premium weather stripping for noise and air infiltration control, insulated frames that reduce sound transmission, secure anchoring for improved door stability. Better sealing not only enhances quiet living but also makes your home more energy efficient and secure. Multi-point locking systems for better protection. Modern replacement doors often include multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at multiple points along the frame instead of only at the handle. This offers Milton homeowners stronger protection against break-ins, better pressure distribution for a tighter, soundproof seal, long-lasting reliability, smooth operation with high-quality hardware for families seeking extra safety without heavy upkeep. This feature is a must-have. Low-maintenance materials that withstand New England weather. Milton's four-season climate can be tough on traditional doors. Modern replacement doors, especially fiberglass, steel, and composite options, are designed to last decades with minimal upkeep. Advantages include no need for frequent repainting, resistance to moisture, rot, and pests, finishes that don't fade or peel, long-term structural strength. A door that stays strong over time also continues to shield your home from noise and outdoor conditions. Final thoughts: upgrading to a soundproof, secure replacement door is one of the best ways to improve comfort, privacy, and peace of mind in your Milton home. Whether you're looking for better insulation, enhanced safety, or simply a quieter living environment, today's modern door options offer powerful solutions that stand up to New England's demanding climate.